My sister sent me a recipe, looked pretty good, chicken tamale pie. I think we'll go for that this evening. Plus it's chicken, so Natalie will love it, right? I've got these boxes of Jiffy Mix here. I've never really used one of these. I think I'm probably gonna need 2. But I seen them for like 85 cents a piece, so I jumped on them. I usually don't eat sweet cornbread, but it looked like it'd go really good with this. I don't think it'd probably even taste like a tamale, looking at everything that goes in it. All right, we're gonna hit that with some taco seasoning. Should be plenty. Now the recipe I had called for cream corn in this. I ain't a big fan of cream corn unless it's homemade. So I'm just gonna use the sweet cornbread mix. All right, just spray Spain. Do a little bit of leveling. Our cornbread's done. We're gonna get started making our topping. I'm gonna use 2 cans of enchilada sauce, a drained can of diced chilies, the mild kind, and a drained can of fire roasted Hatch chili rotel. This gets taco season too. Now we need to stir it up. Oh, I about forgot. I had a leftover poblano and a few jalapenos. I was going to put one of each in there. Jalapeno give it a little spice for us. But it shouldn't be super hot, and a little spicy to go with the sweet cornbread should be pretty good. Alright, now let's get started. Now we're going to take our cornbread, we'll poke some holes in him with our chopstick here. Oh, that's good. Let's try to level him up again. And we're going to hit that with some cheese. Whatever kind you like, I'm using the Mexican Fiesta blend. Well, we're out of the oven. It looks and smells good. Let's give her a go. It's good. Garnish that with whatever you like. I'm going to use cilantro, black olives, pickled jalapenos, green onions. Gotta have some lime. Can't forget the sour cream either. Let's hope it tastes as good as it looks. That sweet cornbread, the enchilada sauce, the chicken, it's sweet, savory, citrusy, a little spicy. I think it's all in one. I definitely recommend. Add and take away whatever you don't like out of it. Recipes are just baselines, really. I go by feel and taste. But yeah, that's wonderful.